Hello, good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Faith of Faster Design Empire. So quickly I'll just be drafting the sleeve in the easiest form we can think of. So this is, I've actually drafted out some of it in order to save time. So from this 0 to 1, it is 1/6 of your bust measurement plus 1.5. Then from 1 to this point, it is 1/8 of your bust measurement arrive at this depth. Then you then have your length, which is this 2 to 3, which is the length. Then 3 to 4 is a round sleeve. My round sleeve here is 13, so this is 6.5. So I will connect to this point. So that's that. This is our round sleeve. So from here I am going to create like a box. I've actually created a box here, so I will be doing this, dividing it. Very easy. So we'll pick the middle. This is the middle of it. So from this middle, I'm going to divide this again. So I have to get the middle of this one. This is 4 points. Instead of trying to calculate, just bend over my tape. This is the middle there. I guess same thing will happen here. This is it. So up here, I will be going up by 0.5, and I'll be coming down by 0.5. So I will connect. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Making sure that it touches the middle line. And making sure again it touches the middle line. So let me do it this way. So we'll blend it in. This is so easy, as simple as ABC. So I will erase off this, erase this off, erase this off. And this is my sleeve. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you learned a thing or two, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Bye. Then let me just cut it out so that I can see what it looks like. Bottom of it, the paper is not even, or notwithstanding. So what do you think? Thank you for watching.